is issue number 2. Let's get the camera right. Here's issue number 2. Alright. Let's turn the light on. There you go. Alright. Now, I'll have to take that and turn it tooth by tooth to get the bolts come around so that I can see those on the crankshaft. I can't really see that right there real well, but the phone does great. I'll be able to video it, you know, but I see the torque converter and I see that. Alright, so I'll have to go around tooth by tooth and look at this thing and find a place that I can measure from to be able to check if it's deflected. And well, there's issue trying to get that damn oil pan off. The cross member, yeah. I don't know if I can take this cross member out right here, these two, and then these two, and then just drop this. Truck gonna spread apart and fall all over the place. I don't fucking know. But this just goes straight across the oil pan, and then you got the front end cross member over there. Alright. And I changed out all the front ends, the upper control arm on it, lower ball joints, and new tie rod ends and all that shit. The only thing I couldn't get changed was the damn pitman arm right there, and I got that, and that summit is up in Arkansas, but I couldn't get it off. And I got this shock, but the problem is this damn stud that goes through there on the new shock is really big, so it won't go through that hole right there. Okay. But I got a leak. Something's leaking some damn where, but it's not bad. I mean, it's got to be up here on this oil pan is where it's got to be, because I'm not seeing it anywhere else. I don't see it on the torque converter or anything like that. Okay. But that's what was gumming that damn starter up, and hopefully that's all that was wrong with it, because man, that thing was just it was doing this number, it was going tick 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 tick, and then when I got there, somebody hit me or I hit something, and when I left, well, I was already having problems with it wanting to spin over. It didn't want to engage, but I was thinking it was a flywheel, you know, a flex shaft. So let's stop this and get out another one.